In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a measure table in Power BI, which is a great way to keep all of your measures organized in one convenient location. If you're familiar with Power BI, you might know that sometimes your DAX measures can get scattered across various tables. This can make your data model look cluttered and harder to navigate. Creating a measure table not only helps you keep things tidy, but it also makes your model cleaner and much easier to maintain. Let's dive into the process step by step. To start, we'll create a blank table specifically for our measures. In Power BI Desktop, navigate to the Home tab and select Enter Data. Here, you'll set up a table that's just for your DAX measures. Give it a simple name like Measures or Measure Table. It doesn't need to contain any real data columns, so go ahead and leave the default column named something like Column 1, with just one row, perhaps with the value 1 for simplicity. Once you've filled out those details, hit Load to add this table to your model. Now that we've got our measure table, let's clean it up a bit by hiding the dummy column. Head over to the Fields pane and find your newly created Measures table. You'll want to expand this table and locate the dummy column you just created, like Column 1. Right-click on it and choose the option to Hide. By hiding this dummy column, you make your table appear empty except for the measure icon, setting the perfect stage for housing your DAX measures. Once that's set up, you can begin moving your existing measures into this table. For each measure you already have scattered across other tables, go to either the Model view or the Fields pane. Select the measure you want to move, and then look over to the pane on the right where you'll find its properties. Change the Home table setting to your new Measures table. Repeat this process for every measure you want centralized. When it comes to creating new measures, you have a couple options. The most straightforward is to simply right-click on your Measures table and select New Measure. Alternatively, when you're writing a new measure from scratch, ensure its home table is set to your Measures table. For those who love a little extra organization, you might want to use folders to further simplify things. In Model View, you can take advantage of the Display Folder property for your measures. For example, you could categorize them with folder names like Sales/Revenue or Growth/YOY. This will organize your measures into tidy, collapsible folders, making it much easier to find what you're looking for under the Measures table. And there you have it, a comprehensive way to organize all your DAX measures in Power BI. By following these steps, you can keep your model tidy and your workflow efficient.